Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Encore. The song is Encore, the artist is CHERYL, and the choreography is IYANA LEE. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. For detailed information, please visit our website at www.lmiunola.com. And here we go. And there you go, guys. Encore. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens June 1st, 2025. Please visit our website at www.lmiunola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.